Good morning, you guys. It is the start to a new day. Jill and I were working at the house pretty late last night, so we woke up a little tired, but very excited for today because we have a bunch of new things that we are putting in at the house, which is always super exciting. The things are gorgeous. I can't wait to show you. I have the Suburban packed and we're ready to go. All right, Jill, are you ready? Are you ready to do one of the most exciting things that I have been looking forward to? We had the tub in place, but today we are putting the tub faucet in. I am so excited. Joel went ahead and already put these in when our plumber was here because he wanted the plumber's help, and I just can't. I think one of the most exciting things for me about this project is that we have Delta Faucets sponsoring today's video. That is cool, that is neat, and I am very, very excited.
Oh, I'm ecstatic to finish this trim work now. This is the fun work of like a house, putting in like the faucets and things that you're just like, oh, it's functionable now. Is that a word, functionable? Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying.
Truth be told, I actually had all of my faucets picked out before I started a partnership with Delta, and the main, like the initial reason that I went with the brand Delta is because they have such a unique color of gold, and I really wanted the bathrooms to feel special, and so I wanted a different shade of gold versus just doing everything in the kind of more bright gold. I just felt like this was just a beautiful color, and so that's what initially drew me to their faucets, was their unique color, and the shade on it is called Champagne Bronze.
What's crazy is when my plumber came over and helped me install those, he was like, I pulled them out and he was like, ooh, I've never seen anything like this before.
Really?
He's been for 30 years and he's like, that is incredible looking.
Really? That's awesome. I'm so glad he liked it.
It's been a long time coming.
Oh my gosh! That's cute. Oh.
Nice, like fit. It just fits good.
I don't know if you're ready for this. I don't know if you're ready for this. You're not ready for this. The H2O Kinetic Hand Shower in the Dorval Tub Filler has water coming out in a unique wave pattern that gives you the feeling of more water without actually using more water. How have I gotten myself so attached to all of the beautiful things in this home? How am I supposed to sell this place? Maybe I'll just live here. All of the pieces that I chose for the bathroom, and even I believe the kitchen, is called the Dorval collection, and what I liked most about it is the shape of these handles right here.
How's the valve look?
Nice and straight, son.
Yeah.
Nice and straight. You can see that the handles are matching. The option in the handles for the sink faucets came with this white, which I absolutely went with. You don't have to go with this color option. I know they come in several different color options. I knew that I loved the Dorval bathroom collection right off the bat, but what I learned later is that this collection draws its inspiration from German castles coupled with the feminine lines of French architecture. Love it. At first, when I was thinking of mixing metals, it was hard for my brain to wrap around it, but it looks gorgeous with the gold. I'm going to be having some gold mirrors in between each of these right here. And I wondered if it was going to look good with, you know, the different types of gold from different brands, but it's gorgeous. Like, that does not bother me one tiny bit. Ready for another one?
That was easy, actually. It was a
Really?
really simple install. Mm-hmm.
Good. Hey, boyfriend.
Hey, girlfriend.
One of my favorite things that we did in our house was match the toilet lever with whatever faucets we use. This is also part of the Dorval collection. You can see that they all come with kind of the standard lever, and I just feel like this is such a nice way to upgrade the way your bathroom looks, you know? Do you see what I mean? That completely elevates that toilet and ties it in with the rest of the bathroom. And honestly, that is going to complete all of the faucet and hardware for the bathroom today. I can't even handle that we are getting so close to being done with the house. I am so excited with how this looks. We have one more fixture, which is going to be in the kitchen. Last but not least, we're getting the kitchen faucet, and it is not part of the Dorval collection. I will have the name and the link in the description for you guys if you're interested. It's stunning. This is gorgeous. Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, your job is to hold it like right there.
Got it.
Don't move.
This faucet is very similar to the one I have at home, which I love. Easy on, off, hot, cold. You can take this down and it has two different options. You can do a spray or a stream, and it reaches all the way across to the edge of the farmhouse sink. And then this one is so awesome because it has 3 different options and not just the 2. So you have the stream, the spray, and the shield spray, which is so awesome. So at home, I know that I love this spray because it is pretty powerful. This is even more powerful, but it has a little shield of water. This is Delta's shield spray technology. It has a bubble of water and the powerful stream on the inside, which I love because the spray is pretty powerful as is, but the bubble around it just contains the splatter and spray with an even more powerful stream down the center. Incredible. If you guys are interested in any of the faucets that I showed you guys, I will make sure to have a link for each one of them in the description below, along with Delta's information. I want to say thank you so much again to Delta Faucets for sponsoring this video. I am so grateful for you. Thank you so much. Are you ready for a lunch break, Mr. Hoellein?
Heck yeah.
I am starving. And you know what's kind of fun? Eating on our new countertops.
Isn't that wild? Hi, this is Joel Hoellein. I missed a call from you.
Hey, we've got the carpet here. I like the pattern. I like the way it looks. It's got this kind of diamondy pattern. Ooh, I like it all laid out like that. The stairs are ready for the carpet tomorrow, yeah? I thought he was going to possibly finish today. It looks good. So the bedrooms have the pad laid, the stairs have the pad laid. Wow, it smells good.
This is a big job. He said this was like one of the longest stretches of single that he done. Because
Really?
normally you just do it in 3 separate. He's like, oh, I wanted it to be better with just one.
Oh, ooh, that's fun. Smells good. It looks pretty with the walls. That's great. I was really hoping that the carpet would be all the way finished today, but it's all right. We'll finish up tomorrow. Do you think that they're gonna carpet this little room back here? No?
Carpet into there, just to pass the threshold, that's it.
Oh, okay. So that'll be kind of like a storage room then.
Yep, that'll just be storage. And we'll
Awesome.
take the remnants and put them in there.
Yeah, that's kind of, yep, that's a great idea.
It's
Awesome.
so thick, like I can't believe how like
Feels cushy.
cushy it is. Like,
Make a carpet snow angel, Joel. I know, I'm like, can we be done for the day? I'm tired.
If I lay down, I won't get back up. This is like wonderful.
Stretch your back. All right, all right.
Stretch properly. Bring one leg to your chest and extend the other. You gotta.
Like these?
The popping is a good thing, I think. I don't know.
Okay, I have no popping.
I don't have any popping. Nothing pops on this body.
Okay, do the other leg. Ah! All the blood is rushing to our heads.
Has my face red?
Yeah, mine feels very pressurized. Ugh.
Can we nap?
Good night, everybody.
They're still here.
Pretty proud of your craftsmanship, Joel. All those lights.
Pretty.
Yeah, Joel is a little excessive when it comes to the lights, but you know what? That's a good
You
thing.
can't have too many. And like the ducting, I was really worried about how that was gonna cut down and stuff, and it it did just fine.
What's next on our list, huh? We remodeled our house.
We have mirrors. Oh, you're talking about long term.
On the greater scheme, we've done a flip house. Okay, you know what? We're not going to get ahead of ourselves because this thing's gotta sell
This thing's
first.
far from done. Far from done and not sold.
And I can see some like spots up on the ceiling, or like, what is that? All right, it's either heavy texture, a splatter on the paint. What are these things?
I don't know. Lincoln was down here the other day. You know.
All right, we're gonna get him real close. Ah, heavy on the texture. I am back home. We're going to start our nightly ritual of piano practice, showering, all the things to get ready for the night. We're going to have leftover curry soup for dinner. Thank you again to Delta for sponsoring this video, and we will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.